Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we are going to learn English Year 4, Unit 7 Gardening. We are going to learn about gardening tools. First, we have trowel. 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 This is a trowel. We use it to dig holes. Second one is rake. R-A-K-E. Rake. This is a rake. We use it to gather fallen leaves. The third one is watering can. W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G-C-A-N. Watering can. This is a watering can. We use it to water the plants. Next, we have hoe. H-O-E. Hoe. This is a hoe. We use it to remove the weeds. Then there's the wheelbarrow. W-H-E-E-L-B-A-R-R-O-W. Wheelbarrow. This is a wheelbarrow. We use it to move things. And the last one is lawnmower. L-A-W-N-M-O-W-E-R. Lawnmower. This is a lawnmower. We use it to cut grass.